I mean, really, you can't go wrong with brisket. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is my easy breakfast brisket hash. Let's put together some corned beef. We're gonna try this little electric thing out here. It's already on. We're gonna go in with a little bit of high quality butter. Whoa, is it running down? I missed. So, just a little. So we need to get our potatoes in. So what we're gonna do is cut them into planks here. The thinner they are, the faster they'll cook. And then once we got them cut into spears, we're just gonna come through and cut them to whatever length you want. The smaller they are, the faster they'll cook. I'm telling you that now. Again, I already told you that once. So we can take what we've cut and throw it in. I'm gonna get the rest of these potatoes cut in that pan. Get everything spread out. I do want to throw a little more butter in there. Brisket is cooked with salt, pepper, garlic. You can go in with exactly the same thing, or we're just going to go in with some salt and some black pepper. And then we're going to get our brisket cut up. Then we're almost done. So, brisket. So, how do you want to cook it?
Excuse me, what was that?
When I'm making hash, brisket hash, I do like it to be cut up a little bit smaller. Okay, then just gauge how much you want in there. We need a little bit more than that. Don't worry if you got some excess fat. It's all going to absorb into those potatoes and give you amazing flavors. Let's give this a little mix. Smells amazing. Then we just need this to start browning up and we can move on to the next step. We're going to get our egg going. Going with healthy amount of butter. Egg crack and in. We're going to go in with a little bit of salt. A little bit of black pepper. Forget the egg, this is about the hash. Alright, we're going to come over here and we're going to serve up some hash. Stack it high, you're going to want it. Now look at that. No whites are liquid. That yolk is beautiful. Let's give it a try. This is not about what it looks like. It's about what it tastes like. And it tastes amazing. Oh yeah. You don't need the egg, but the creaminess is awesome. Come on. Come on.
I have brush on here.
Looks wonderful.
That's like a dinner for breakfast. That's really hearty. It's gonna fill you up for the day.
It's like an old man breakfast. I can remember being a kid and going and eating breakfast when I could afford it. And the old men would get the skillets, and that's basically what this is. YouTube picked this video for you?
You're good. It really isn't a big deal on the camera.
The breaker keeps going out. It's snowing!
It's so fluffy.
It does not look fluffy.
It's wet. It's snowman snow. Let's go make an igloo. We'll make a snowman.
Do you want to build a snowman?